channel again. So I'm really very excited because I'm back with one more makeup video and I will be sharing this makeup look which I'm wearing right now. But before that, I would really appreciate if you take a moment and if you subscribe to my channel, because soon I will be completing the target which is of 1000 subscribers. So just go and hit that subscribe button. Just give this video a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, just share this video with your friends. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm done with moisturizing my skin. I'll use a primer and जो मेरा पूरा eye contact है वो पूरे टाइम कैमरे पे नहीं रहेगा, मैं पूरे टाइम मिरर में देखने वाली हूँ. And I will be talking to you guys, so just bear with me. And next up what I will be using is a primer. And काफी लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे थे कि मैं कौन सा एक रिजनेबल प्राइमर आपको सजेस्ट कर सकती हूँ. So I will suggest an aloe vera gel जो कि आप कोई भी ब्रांड का यूज कर सकते हैं. I am using this from Patanjali and now I will use it as a face primer because this really works well. I will be taking a little bit and now I'll apply it on my face. So now I'll wait for a few minutes and ये तब तक थोड़ा सा मेरी स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा and then I'll apply the next product. So aloe vera gel बहुत ही अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो चुका है मेरी स्किन में and I'm using a concealer which is from Half and Half and this is HD Pro Concealer. To blend everything, I will be using this beauty blender. Concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Sardin Skin Foundation, which is really nice. And आप कोई भी फाउंडेशन यूज कर सकते हैं जो आपकी स्किन को बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I'll just shake it. I'll just take 2 pumps of it. Next up, what I will be using this Vove powder, which is a very nice setting powder, and now I'll set my base with it. Next up, I will be using a contouring shade, and I am using this Sivana color palette. So after contouring, I will be using an eyebrow product and I am using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. So I'm done with my eyebrows and now I will be using my blush and I am using the Swiss Beauty blush palette and I will use this shade right here. After blush, now I will be moving on to my eyes, and for my eyes, the palette which I am using is a very small and cute palette, and in my crease I will be using this color which is a black shade. So after applying black color in my crease, I will be using the next color from the same palette and I will be using this grey color right here with a different brush. So after applying the shade, I will be blending everything once again. So after that, I use this kajal which is a normal ADS kajal and then I smudged it on my lower lash line. I don't know how my camera just stopped recording. I'm extremely sorry for that. But with this, let's move on to the next step. Now I will be using this liner which is from Sugar. Next up, I will be using this Faces mascara which I really like. Now I'm done with my eyes. Now next up, I will be using this Europe Girl highlighter. Next up, I will be using this lipper which is from ADS and this is a matte me. I'll just write the shade on the screen which is a 422 grape and I really like this color. So if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you try this makeup look, then please share pictures with me on Instagram and do tag me. I would repost it. My handle will be right here on the screen and in the description bar. Go follow me, and yeah, just hit that subscribe button right now. Just smash it because I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers soon, and I am planning to do a giveaway soon. So stay tuned. Just like, share and subscribe, and guys, just hit that bell notification button so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a video. Just leave your request in the comments below. I would fulfill it as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it for this one. I shall see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy, keep smiling and spread smile near you. Bye guys.